Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing an epic Super Bowl feast. Everything here costed about $50. And I can't wait to show it to you guys. We have some friends coming over, and even though it's not the Super Bowl, football is this Sunday. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to show you guys every single thing that I have. I did just go to Walmart. Every single thing came from Walmart. Y'all know I love my Walmart. Okay, guys, let's get into what I got. So to season this chicken, I'm going to be using my own spices, my lemon pepper, and my spicy girl. They're great on their own, but mixed together, they're amazing. If you have my spices and you haven't done that, I suggest that you guys do. Mix this up. This was actually the night before, and well, this was last night, and I mixed it up and let it marinate until today. So fast forward this morning, we're going to get started with the Rotel Dip. You already know you want to get that crock pot going or slow cooker. You're going to put the processed cheese, which is velveeta, and let it get going while we work on this ground turkey. I'm going to cook this ground turkey all the way down because I want it to mimic like sausage, like brown bits. So you want to cook it all the way down. Next, you want to add some onion to this. It's optional, but I just wanted that extra onion. And mix that up and cook it down. Currently, I have my not my food processor, child. See, I done missed my food processor because I done broke it the other day, y'all. My slow cooker is on high for 4 hours. We're not going to use all 4 hours, but you know. Anyway, you want to start adding your rotel and your meat to the cheese. Cover that up just like that. This is what it looks like. You guys will be able to tell if it's too thick or not. If it's too thick, add a little milk. And, you know, just get the going. And this is what it looks like. It's going to loosen up. I'm going to cover it back up and let it go for about an hour. And then this is what it looks like right here. Now, to finish it off, I chose to add some hot sauce, my favorite hot sauce in the world, as well as some cheese. And remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Alright, so now we're going to work on frying the chicken. You want to add some flour, some cornstarch. Again, all measurements will be in my description box. You want to season this with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm not seasoning it all the way here because I want to season the wings that are going to get the sauce first. And then I'm going to add all the herbs for the wings that are going to be lemon herb wings. So I'm making wings 3 ways. Here I separated the wings by 9. So I have 18 in one bowl, which is going to be 2 separate wings, and 9 in that pan, which is going to be the barbecue, and they're going in the oven. You want to add the egg mixture to the 18 wings because they're all going to be fried. So you can add that there. These are the 9 wings. They're going to be in the buffalo sauce. So that's why I'm breading those first. Want to go ahead and fry them just like this. Now for our third and final wing, we're going to put more seasoning into the flour. You're going to add my lemon pepper seasoning. You're going to add some dried thyme. Make sure you're very liberal with the herbs. I'm also going to add some dried parsley. You can add dried cilantro or dill, but make sure it's nice and herby. And just like this, you want to leave it just like this. So you're going to mix it up. And then we're going to add the wings, bread those, and then we're definitely going to fry these. But you're just going to fry these. These do not get sauce. So. Alright, now we're on to making the buffalo sauce. You're going to need some mango jam. You're going to need some fresh chopped garlic. And you're going to need some buffalo wing sauce. as well as some butter. You want to put it all in a pot, mix it up, heat it up for about 3 minutes on the stove. And I'm telling you guys, this sauce is money. If you can't find mango jam, mango preserves, mango puree, anything in the mango family, even fresh mangoes, it's money. This sauce is delicious. Alright, so these are the wings right out the oven. Once they're nice and golden brown and look like this, you know they're done. I'm going to coat it with the barbecue sauce that I made in my video last night. I'll make sure I link it below. However, you can use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, or you can make it from scratch like I did. So yeah, put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes so the sauce could tighten up. Now we're going to work on the pepper and onion mixture that's going to go on top of our sliders. This is a Anaheim pepper and a half an onion, chop it up. And basically I'm going to let the video play out. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're just going to put the sliders together. This is probably the easiest part of the video. So yeah. Alright, so these are finally going into the oven. I'm going to brush it with some garlic butter. I just melted down some butter in a pot with some fresh garlic and some parsley. And that was it. Brush it and throw it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now we're going to work on the pizza. This is store-bought pizza dough, Pillsbury, right out the freezer section, over there by the butter and the yogurt. You can't miss it. Brush the dough with the remaining garlic butter, as well as some barbecue sauce, leftover barbecue sauce, because this is a barbecue chicken pizza. You want to then put your cheese all over your pizza, add chunks of chicken. You can make the chicken fresh or from the store. It doesn't even matter. Pop it in the oven, follow the directions on the back of the package, and this is it. Look at this pizza, period. A few ingredients, done, delicious, cost effective, flavor effective, ready to go. Now you're just going to take your buffalo sauce and pour it right over your wings, the ones we fried earlier, and you're going to toss it together, and those are done. Y'all, it literally took me about 4 hours to get through all this video, but I couldn't wait to get it done and ready for you guys, because you guys love these kinds of recipes. So this is what it looks like, y'all. It's so pretty and beautiful, smells amazing. I can't wait to rip into those buffalo wings. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Happy Sunday. Enjoy the game, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.